Warning. This is a HD food review video of an Italian restaurant. You will hear HD mispronounce words. That's how HD is. He mispronounces words. Even his last name. There is no need to comment that HD has said something wrong. He knows he did, and he will only laugh when it is pointed out. Now back to the review.
All right, gang. HD, Harold Dufresne. And where are we today? Well, me and Mrs. D are in a place we don't come eat too often. Now, I know I say that every once in a while, but it's true. We are in Mandeville. Wow, Mandeville. I'm trying to think if I ever did I mean, I've done reviews in Covington and Slidell. I don't think I've ever done one in Mandeville. Wow, need to get over here more. All right, but anyway, I am in Mandeville, and today we are going eat at, it's Friday, July 3rd, the Friday before 4th of July, and where we are going eat at is Leonardo's Pizzeria over here, Trattoria and Pizzeria. Probably saying it wrong. Looks like there's some specials on the board right here. Ooh la la, there's the sign. And again, we are in Metairie. I don't know, I don't even know what the address is. I want to, look, it's easy enough to find the address. It's Leonardo's in Mandeville. They have Italian food, Leonardo. Me and Mrs. D's will be here. We're gonna go try this out over here. The menu looks good. Look, there's even a little moped out there. Oh, what's up with that? Look at that. And there's one over there too. Wow, there's two. Huh. Who knows? But anyway, me and Mrs. D's gonna go and check it out and see what we got. And I mean, I don't know if all the cars are here for this place, but it looks pretty busy. Like I said, it's Friday before July 4th, July 3rd, they're open. So we're gonna go check it out. Come on, gang, let's go see what we got in there, shall we? All right, gang, we made it in, and they got us, it's busy in here, and I tell you what, it's 11, we got in about 11:40. Now, I'm gonna show you a little bit around, but we're sitting more in the back area over here. They asked us if we wanted a high table, and hey, I'm okay. If I need to sit at a high table, I'll sit at a high table. I told the waitress I'm not that short, but so what did we get? Well, there's lunch specials today, and what we got today was Mrs. D got this stromboli. The stromboli, and that comes with pepperoni and sausage. And I got, it's a soup. And gang, I'm HD and I can't say stuff too well. Pasta, fagoli. Ramona would, after she'll chat, would kill me for not saying it right. But it's pasta, fagali. It's a soup. I got a cup of that. That was $5. Mrs. D stromboli was $16. The lady said it was good and she would have a lot left over. And I got the lunch special. I got the rigatoni. I just got the rigatoni. Let's just say meat sauce rigatoni for $16. I ain't even gonna say it because I can't say words. I'm HD. Sorry, gang. Can't even say my last name right. I say Dufresne. And that's a lunch special. You get a Caesar salad with that. So I'm waiting for my soup, and I'm gonna get my Caesar salad also. And they give you bread and some olive oil over here. So that's what I'm gonna give it a shot at. I tell you what, they're busy. It's the Friday before July 4th, and they are busy. It's July 3rd. Let's try some of this bread with the olive oil, with the cheese on there. All right, gang. I'm gonna wait for my my soup and my salad. Now they're busy in here. We'll see if it takes a while. And it's a nice little place. Then we'll see what we got. Cheers. All right, gang. Again, I'm HD, so I'm gonna say things wrong, but I got my pasta fago, I think they called it. Again, I mess up. Excuse me. I got my little Caesar salad, came with my lunch, and like I said, this was $5 for the cup of soup right there. Can't wait to try it, man. I got bread to dip it in, but I tell you what, dipping it in that olive oil and vinegar was good too. Ooh, look at that. They have beans in here, pasta. Ooh, let's taste the broth. Ooh. Tell you what. It's nice. It's good. With the like the white beans, it tastes good. I mean, I'm good, but I could use maybe a little hot sauce. Because I'm HD, maybe I could use a little hot sauce. I see some salt over there. Maybe I'll go get that for my salad. But overall, good little soup over here to start off. Again, it's nice. I hope the music's not too loud in here. And let's try the Caesar salad. And again, looks nice. The dressing tastes good. A little side salad with your lunch is a pretty good deal right there. All right, gang. So far, so good. All right, we'll be back when we get my rigatoni, and Mrs. D got her stromboli. Rigatoni and stromboli. They rhyme. All right, gang. We'll be right back. All right, gang. We got our food. Now, before you complain, again, if you complain that HD says stuff wrong, yeah, I'm HD. Sorry, that's how it goes. So, but let's see what we got. There's Mrs. D's stromboli. This thing is huge over here. And here's my rigatoni. So let's give this a shot here. Now, it didn't take long, but there was a few hiccups. I'll talk about that when we give our final thoughts. Well, I'm going to tell you what, that soup and that that salad really almost got me full. I've been on a diet, and it almost got me full, I'll be honest with you. But let's give this a shot. Ooh, I tell you what, gang. It's hot. But I'm going to tell you that the sauce with the meat sauce, that sauce is very, very good. Wow. You could tell that that's a homemade sauce. It tastes like it. Wow, that tastes good. Mrs. D, you want to cut me a little piece of your stromboli, if you don't mind? If you don't mind. I tell you what, that sauce that comes with that rigatoni is excellent. Now, maybe a little bit too big there, Mrs. D. That looks like a hot mess in there. Let me get Mrs. D a napkin over here. Because she made a mess on her hand because of me. All right. What kind of meat is that? Wow. Let's check this out. I don't know what. I wish I'd have the menu. Is that like? I tell you what. Let's try it out. The pepperoni. It's cheesy. Mrs. D said I got cheese on my chin. I think that's almost like an Italian sausage in there. That is, Mrs. D, what do you think of it? It's good, huh? I find it's very good with that meat. That's a good tasting stromboli, and they give it a ton. We could have split that for sure. Could have split this rigatoni too. There's no way I'm going to be able to eat all this. But the sauce is on point. I'm going to tell you right now. This sauce is good. All right, gang. I tell you what, all we can do now is try to finish what we could finish, and I think we're gonna have a lot of food left over. Me and Mrs. D's both been on diets, and our appetite isn't as big as it used to be. And I had that cup of soup and the Caesar salad, so we'll see what we can finish up, and we'll give our final thoughts when we go in the vehicle. All right, gang. Be back in a little bit. All right, gang. We made it out of Leonardo's. They're not even Pizzeria, let's say, and I'm not even going to try to say I probably mispronounced so many words in there. Probably I'm going to get so many comments, it ain't going to be funny. Gang, if you don't know HD, I'm going to mispronounce words. That's just the way I am. Call it a speech impediment, call it whatever, but I mispronounce words. I say Dufrenes. Come on. Anyway, Leonardo's. Let's talk about Leonardo's. The place was good. It was busy, right, Mrs. D? Mm-hmm. They were busy. We had to sit at, the regular tables were full. We had to sit more in the back. I don't think they're used to people sitting back there. I think there was a little mix up with the server, with the people on the side of us. We had to almost sit with people at the same table as us, but they were separate. It's no big deal. The food is what we were here for. The atmosphere was good. Look, for how busy they were, that server was. I mean, she did. You know, she was good. I mean, she could do what they could do. They were very busy. There was a little mix up with the check towards the end, but it was all taken care of. We had to wait a little while, but big deal. That was a small thing. That was nothing. But how was the food? Okay, my soup was delicious. My little Caesar salad was fantastic. My rigatoni was amazing. That sauce in there was amazing. That meat sauce was amazing. Mrs. D, I tried her stromboli. That was very, very good. Everything I had was great. And what Mrs. D got, I tried, was great. That sauce tasted homemade to me on my rigatoni. It tasted homemade. It was good. Now, I had a ton of food left over. It was like $37. Not bad for all the food we got. So, gang, we're in Mandeville, Leonardo's. What am I going to give it? I'm giving it an A. I'm giving it an A. It was very, very good. No wonder they're busy in there. They got an A from HD. That's all I could say. I got a ton of food. I probably got enough food to eat 3 meals, just off of mine. Not counting Mrs. D stromboli. That bread, I even mentioned the bread they served. That was good. All right, Mrs. D, what do you say about Leonardo's?
Everything was good. I'm gonna give it an A.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Nothing bad.
No, nothing bad. Even that Italian sausage down on your stromboli, that was good. That was tasty.
Yep.
Oh, I'm so happy. Mrs. D couldn't make up her mind at first. I mean, that menu, they had a lot of choices. And I know she would have rather have the Alfredo, but it didn't come with meat. It was just, Lexi would have liked that Alfredo. It didn't come with no meat. Like that little girl on the side of her, she had it without no meat. And she would have liked the Caesar. Our granddaughter would have loved that. Gang, I'm telling you, that Leonardo's, I'm telling you, that sauce is the boss. It's awesome. Everything was good. And A from HD and A from Mrs. D. You don't see that too often. Great meal to start or kick off our 4th of July weekend. I'm glad we came eat over here. Come check them out in Mandeville, Leonardo's. All right, gang, I'll talk about this place. And no, I couldn't even finish all that food. But I'm going to talk about this place and other places on Food Chat with HD on Tuesday nights at 8:30. And and our regular show, after show chat on Sundays at 9. All right, gang. Till next time, this is HD and Mrs. D in Mandeville. Today, we'll see y'all later.